We all operate on a set of beliefs. These aren't necessarily things we consciously think about every day, but they are the deeply ingrained principles that guide our actions, shape our perceptions, and ultimately determine the quality of our lives. These beliefs, often formed in childhood and reinforced throughout our experiences, act as a powerful internal compass, directing us towards certain paths and away from others. But what if some of these beliefs are holding you back? What if they're subtly sabotaging your happiness, your success, and your overall well being? This isn't about judging your beliefs, it's about understanding their power and learning how to harness it for good. Many of us carry beliefs that are limiting, outdated, or simply untrue. These might manifest as negative self talk, a fear of failure, or a deep seated belief that you're not worthy of success or happiness. Perhaps you believe you're not smart enough, not talented enough, or not deserving of love. These beliefs, however ingrained, are not immutable truths. They are simply thoughts, narratives you've created and repeated over time. The first step in uncovering these life-changing beliefs is introspection. Take some time for honest self-reflection. Consider your reactions to different situations. Do you consistently find yourself reacting in ways that seem counterproductive or self-sabotaging? Are there recurring patterns of behavior that you'd like to change, but haven't been able to? These patterns often stem from underlying beliefs. Ask yourself, what am I telling myself about myself? What assumptions am I making about the world and my place in it? Once you begin to identify these beliefs, you can start to examine their validity. Are they based on facts or on past experiences that may no longer be relevant? Many of our limiting beliefs are rooted in childhood experiences, interpretations of events, or messages we internalized from others. These interpretations, however, are not objective truths. They are subjective narratives that can be challenged and rewritten. The process of challenging these beliefs is not always easy. It requires courage, self-compassion, and a willingness to confront uncomfortable truths. But the rewards are immense. By identifying and replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones, you can unlock a greater sense of self-worth, confidence, and resilience. You can open yourself up to new opportunities, build stronger relationships, and achieve goals you may have previously considered unattainable. Consider replacing "I'm not good enough" with "I am capable and worthy of success." Replace "I'll never find love" with "I am lovable and deserving of a fulfilling relationship." These affirmations may seem simplistic, but the consistent repetition of positive, empowering statements can gradually reshape your internal narrative and shift your perspective.